Right, so I thought we would just film this front wheel being balanced, and unfortunately I can't get the camera quite far enough back, so you're not going to be able to see the top of the tyre there. But what I'm going to do at the very top is pop a piece of tape on there so I've got a reference point. It's just above the rod, so we know the heaviest bit is at the bottom now, and wherever we put that it should return back up to the top. So we've got to add weight to where that tape is. Yep. So I'm just going to get a bit of, better to start off with more weight than required, because it's much easier just to snip one of these off and then you keep all the others in one strip rather than have a couple of different pieces stuck on there. So again, with a bit of tape, oops, pop that over that, and we're just going to stick it on there for temporary measure. Like so, and see where it goes now. I think that's too much weight. As you can see, it's spinning down. So definitely too much weight there. In this particular case, I think we're going to snip off one of the larger weights. I just think that's way too much. That leaves us with two smaller weights at either end, so if I want to snip off a smaller amount in a minute, it's going to be nice and easy to do that. Okay, try again. Obviously what you want to be able to do is put it in the 9 and 3 o'clock positions and not have the tyre, not have the wheel turn. You can see that's too much weight. So now we can just peel that back and cut a 2.5 gram piece off. I'm going to use a new piece of tape on that. Just had it. Interesting, that wheel's just settled again. I'm going to put this where the wheel's settled because it's a few inches out from where it was. So let's just pop that on there and see what happens. Looks like it's too much again. Okay. Another 2.5 snipped off. Let's just let that settle again. Yeah, it's definitely moved back here, so let's try it there. Still too much. Wow. The rear tyre took quite a hefty chunk of weight, but this is far more in balance to start with. So I think we are going to cut a 5 and a 2.5 off of another. Oh no, sod it. Let's just cut a 5 off of this. keep settling back just slightly different each time. Okay, let's try that. Yeah. It's pretty close. I think we're going to be happy with that. So, just going to spin that round to the bottom. You can see that it's the gap between the two weights is smack bang in the centre of that there. So I'm just going to whip this off quick, not losing where we were. Tape off. Hopefully that will be fine. A tiny amount of movement. Yeah, pretty good. Probably haven't put that on the best place. It looks like the slight curve on that. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to take a photograph of that, and if that then comes off at any point, I can see exactly where it was and exactly how much I'd put on there. Yeah, I should have just bent that with the pliers, I think, a little bit. Anyway, there we go. Hope that was useful. I'll show you the wheels on the bike when it's done some point this weekend. Thanks for watching, guys.